Hi guys, have you felt behind on a few credit card payments? If so, guys, please don't feel bad. Most Americans are dealing with the same exact issues. Actually, an article just came out and said nearly 1 in 4 Americans with debt are putting less money towards their credit card payments. People are really struggling. Guys, in today's video, I'm going to explain step by step on how you can handle your late payments, but also delete them forever. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. If you're new to the channel, I'm Credit Coach Q, and I create the first cloud-based software that allows you to put your credit repair spend into your own hands. If you're new to the channel, I'm super excited because I have a banger. Today's video, we're going to talk about how to remove your late payments. But before we get into the video, guys, please like and subscribe to the channel. It allows YouTube to push this content to a wider audience and allows us to leave the lights on. Guys, please like and subscribe to the channel.
If you have anything derogatory in your credit report, I mean anything negative, charge-offs, late payments, bankruptcies, medical bills, guys, you name it, please go over to creditapprove.com. It's the website and the software that I was telling you about that allows you to put the full experience to your own hands. Guys, people are removing thousands of dollars worth of debt by themselves. They are no longer using credit repair companies. They are putting this information and this experience into their own hands and appreciating on a deeper level. Guys, please go to creditapprove.com, check out the software and start removing these items, guys, if you have anything derogatory on your credit report.
Now let's dive straight into the meat and potatoes of this video, guys. I'm super excited about this video because I keep seeing different content saying that credit card debt is hitting an all-time high, and I'm seeing that people are falling further and further with their credit cards and getting a lot of late payments. So let's dive straight in. So the first thing you have to understand when it comes to late payments is the #1 component that makes up your score. 35% of your score is made up of payment history, and one late payment can bring your score down 60 to 100 points, right? So guys, in today's video, we're going to talk about how to remove it. Now, most people are going to tell you to go towards the credit bureaus initially to start removing late payments, but I'm going to tell you to start with the creditors. The creditors have all the power to remove the late payment like this, and if you give them the right sequence and the right magic, they will have no problem with removing it. So that's first and foremost. We're going to talk to the creditors. We're not going to talk to the credit bureaus, and we're going to basically befriend them. We're going to tell them our scenario, our situation, and we are going to basically put ourselves in a position where they're going to voluntarily not remove the late payment, but change it to paid as agreed. Now, we are not looking to remove the debt unless we have 10 or 20 late payments. If we have a lot of late payments, then it's best to remove it entirely. But if we only have like 3 or 4 late payments, it's best to get the status changed to paid as agreed. And that's what we're going to do. We're not going to remove it in its entirety, but we are going to change it to paid as agreed. So that's the first thing that we're going to do. We're going to contact the creditor, and we're going to look for them to change the status to paid as agreed. So now I'm going to go over to my screen, and I'm going to go over to the software and show you step by step on each individual strategy and why they work, and I'm going to give you guys the blueprint for success. Guys, stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So this is the creditapprove software, the software that I created and I was telling you about earlier. So once you have everything signed up, once you have all of your information already imported, went to the dashboard, played around with those tools over there, this is where you're going to get started. First and foremost, we're going to go to the start dispute section. All of your information is automatically going to be imported over already. Once you do the import process, find out which account that you want to dispute first. So if you have multiple accounts, or if you have one account, pinpoint those accounts and get ready to dispute. Now you can click the information on these particular accounts and get the exact information and get, show more, see the exact description of how it's being placed on your credit report. But that's not important right now. We're going to go straight into the dispute process. I'm going to give you step by step so you guys can know exactly how to handle it. So scroll down, we're going to go to create dispute letter. Then we're going to get to this page here, right? We're going to go to round 2, and then we're going to type in late payment YouTube hack, right? And this is a dummy account, so we're going to only dispute target just
you know, for example purposes. So then we're going to scroll down and we're going to hit next. Now everything is going to be automatically populated. We have our name, our address, we have the creditor, and then we have the letter. Now once you have this letter, I am going to want you to sign it with a wet signature, and you can go in here and basically add any information that is going to help with the case. So if you want to add any type of personal statements that's going to identify your specific issues and concerns, you could add that here as well. Like I said, I am going to want you to sign this with a wet signature and send this out certified mail. Yeah, you're gonna have to spend some money to send it out certified mail, but the certified mail confirmation receipt is going to be what is needed for you to be successful. Now this is a 3-part series. Now you could get results that you are asking for within the first month, but typically sometimes I would say around 45% of the time that is not the case, and you need to you need to go to a different month to actually get the results. You have to basically challenge it multiple times. Now that's fine, because if they do not respond to this specific letter the first month, then we're going to go directly to the second month, and this is what it's going to look like. I'm going to go back to this screen, scroll back up, and this is going to be the second month, right? And we're going to go straight into the hack 2, and then we're going to scroll down and print this one out, and we're going to send this off certified mail. We're going to sign it with a wet signature as well, and everything is going to be what is needed. So this is basically everything that you need to know. Now it said, I reached out to you last month because of some late payments you are reporting aren't accurate. Despite my request to update them to on-time payments as agreed, it seems you haven't taken action. This is my second attempt to address these errors on my credit report. Below I've listed the target TD, the account number, and the dates that need correction from the late to paid as agreed. Pursuant of the above reference title section E3 will expect a written reply within the required 30-day time frame. Then you're going to sign it and send it off. Now if you do not get any results the second month, now we do have the highest yield of results the third month. Third month you should get the results you need, and you're going to go back to the original system and type in YouTube setup letter, late payment YouTube setup letter 3, and you're going to send that one out certified mail and with the wet signature as well. Now if you do not get any type of results within the third month, then you want to send out a email to the CEO of the company. Now the company could be named anything, LVNV funding, so many different creditors, and you're going to type in the creditor right here in this section, and you're going to LVNV funding. Let's see if we can find the LVNV funding right here, and this is going to be the person that's you're going to contact. So you want to get his information, and what you want to do is send out a personalized statement to the CEO or the president of the company, and basically give them a generic format of what you have already sent to the company. You're going to ask them to remove it, tell them that this particular late payments is penalizing your credit report, and it is bringing hardship to you and your children. A lot of times, guys, I don't give out specific templates for the email, because if this one particular president or CEO get blasted with different email addresses with the same exact email, they're never going to take this method serious again. So find the person that is over the company and send them a personalized email. It works all the time, guys. It is a bulletproof method. And let me know in the comment section. Now, once you send out the first, second, and third month, always send it out with a copy of the credit report, also a copy of your ID and social, along with the wet signature in certified mail. So guys, make sure that you are following all of these steps step by step. Leave it in the comment section. Let me know how you feel about this. Do you think that this is something that has worked? If you have any questions pertaining to this method and strategy, leave it in the comment section as well. Actually, comment help if you need any type of help with a strategy, and me and my team would head over there to help you guys do it personally. Guys, if you need any type of credit repair outside of the late payments, go to my credit Creditapprove. We handle any and every situation. If you want to talk to me personally, set up a consultation and we'll basically map out everything that you have going on pertaining to your credit. Guys, until next time, take care of your credit and take care of yourself. Credit Coach Q out.